Hi, this is Eduardo Perez. Sorry. And today I will be teaching you how to do a finger pop noise, and it should sound like this. So, to get this noise, well, as you saw, you could kind of see me do this. Now what you want to do is you want to take your two fingers like this and just spread them out. And then you can use any finger. I prefer the index finger. And you want to put your index finger right in that socket between your fingers. And once you get that, just flick it down. Now most people go and flick their whole hand down. All you want to do is just flick your finger down. So just practice that a little. I use my middle finger. You can use that too. I just keep doing that. And once you get the hang of it, just put it against your chin, cheek. To get the mouth, when you do this, you're basically kind of doing that. You just kind of it's like doing that. And some key tips, it might hurt. If you want to, just don't do it too much because your fingers will get really red. Just kind of, you can also do lefty, just be careful of that finger, like my socket already hurts. And yeah, that's how you do it. Later.